Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern India YouTube channel. Today we are trying the activity from here. We have come to taste Tuk Tuk dishes in Ep-6 layout. So here we have three trucks. Actually we were hoping to see one burger food truck as well, but unfortunately it's closed. So now we are trying out pancakes and there is a barbecue food truck there. There we have ordered chicken lollipop. Let's see how it goes. So we have ordered Belgian white chocolate and Nutella. We have got 8 pieces included. For this, it costed around 120 So we could have the jump. You can eat it. Whichever flavor. And also some partners. Next, it's more. Second question. So I tried Nutella right now. This is called Pebble. Pancakes. I'm trying to make it small and maybe two. It was really nice. Nutella one. I'm eager to try this whole Pebble pancake. I've actually poured this Nutella and the veggie white chocolate syrup on the pancakes. The pancakes are common. The flavors, whatever we choose, they'll put that syrup on top. I'm not a sweet tooth, so but yeah, they all sweet of it. But I ate three, now I'm full. So yeah, but it's really good to taste. At least once in a while. So now we have got the chicken lollipop too. Barbecue chicken lollipop. Let's taste and we'll see how the taste is.
So the chicken lollipop was really good and all that smoky flavor was coming so nicely, and they had also given a sauce which was like spiced up, but it was also kind of a different, I think it was mayonnaise based sauce. I was trying to figure out what they have put there because it was not thick as mayonnaise as well, but it was a kind of a different sauce, I could say. And they had also given an onion salad at the side, but overall it was pairing up really well with chicken lollipop. And also we got 6 pieces just for 130 rupees, and I think it was totally worth it. It was very tasty and amazing. Then we came to Tuk Tuk Pizzeria in BTM Layout, and it was really crowded, and there was 1 hour of waiting period to have a pizza. And I was just looking at the process of pizza making here, and I was salivating, honestly, because the pizza was really huge, and the process of making it and people waiting there to taste this pizza was a great experience. But unfortunately, we couldn't wait that much long period, so we did not taste how pizza is, but definitely came back with a regret that we didn't taste this pizza. I hope to get to try this pizza soon.